Inside Out.
Alright. Omulabi waffe nkwaniza ku the Inside Out ey'olwaleero. Njine mukwano gwammwe Joseph Tamale Mirundi Junior. Luli mwaddamu kumuwaana bantu b'emikutu munsanyusa. Very handsome. My brother is very handsome. Toyina muwaana muntu kuba handsome.
Very intelligent. Yate bannakuvuma. They are the same people tomorrow who will abuse you. So
nange bampanika ne bakuwanika bintu bisi ne bakera ku majja. Kyo muyango ogira bino n'ebirala.
As long as you don't support their interests, some of them
they will abuse
you. So we are used. Bangale mazoki.
Awabeera Mirundi omukulu w'obeera saakulabe wa muhozi. Yuzi Mirundi twali naye ku Piero yote waliyo.
No, me I have no issue with JNMK. Era bwabazze kola bino wammanga, I support him kwata babbi. Bwabazze kutereza bya bulamu, JNMK wabazze kutereza nguudo, we support him. Naye nze njagala nnyo okuyingira mu kintu ng'akikulira mmaze okwogera ki naye tuddawa k'ebintu bya Uganda ebisinga obungi bitandikibwe gwe ne bakulekayo. What positions change? Abali mutogikwatako bakomawa. Abali mufiri simanyawo ko to work. Where did they end those ones? You'll find that you cannot join something as an intellectual without knowing what are we fighting for? Where are we going? Can you be going anytime they can?
You want to tell me tomanyi kintu kya Moses agatamanyi Piero yujeraga tonna kimanyi?
I say I don't know where they are going because what I know he wants to be a president. I hear in rumors.
That's where we are going.
I have not heard that statement from him personally. Mpulira ngambo. And those who claim they know him.
You said those who claim.
No,
they actually know him. Don't you know those who claim they know him? You think we don't know him?
No, you know him. But you might know him because relationships differ. There are people who know Genomos via business sector. There are people who know Genomos in his constituency because he's an officer. There are people who know Genomos because he's the son of the president. There are people who know Genomos because they are relatives. Now, me, I not Genomos as you. So I have to build that relationship from him. You know, when as a son of a president and I'm officer. Byebyoka.
Tomanyi politician.
Simumanyi nga munnabyabufuzi. Simanyi pulani eyokwata obukulembeze genda mu kalulu. When? Because the father is coming back. Are you going to make a coup? So, government, you want to be president, which system are you going to use? If you're going to have a coup, I join the army.
You want a coup?
I know I'm telling you because how do we change power? 3 elections. We can have a palace coup. We can have civil disobedience. If you don't bya government, never cause in a tugano genda kumirimu. And we make the government to cheat up incapacitated. Or not so because if the government cannot
otegera kulembera ekintu nga otera jemulaga mubana ye.
Yes.
Watuuka ku Bob Wine nomanya jemulaga. How did you fall out?
Bob Wine yanimba.
Wamutuuka.
Inamutuuka ko nanimba. Yes.
Nomanya jemulaga.
Yes.
What happened?
Byali bya bulimba kyofula sicha ayagala kuddamu kugoberera abantu besesiga bulungi ngate sibijje kubanga Bob Wine yenga ye yangayi n'aba America. That the Americans are going to come here. The last time I knew America, I know Bianiri na Dimotri, no serious Americans. Bob Wine,
those are Ugandans, boss. Those are Ugandans, not a bit. No
Bianina. Just a note. Again. The last time he told us he has to lose the Kuba Museveni. And we believed. No, yagenda ku Twitter ye. Bob Wine went to his Twitter. not get it. I was an advisor of Bob Wine Gamuraba personally. Tutudaina wakasisira katula mwewe. Na Mirundi concert chimu kamanga. Ha buchanga lubanga lwa mindi. Katonda atujjukidde kiteri atulizze Mombasa. Ntibize kubache. Kube yalize kuchima wa malaria yeyongereye South Africa. Manyaba America abo babera nnyo ku nyanja.
Ne Joseph Tamale Mirundi.
So
Julia,
I really want to know from an informed person muli kuki. Ke lero tubala mukola patriotic kiriki. What chiche muliko? Okay, you want power. How are you going to get it?
Through elections.
Through elections. Mugenda mukalu. So the president is going to retire. When? Because I'm not seeing Seven retiring soon.
He will retire in 2026. If he does not retire, we shall defeat him in our election.
Okay. That's a fair strategy. After all, the father, President Seven versing the son, Jenemuke, and the election is protected by Holy Spirit, Genocide Masada. So they are the Holy Trinity. It can happen.
Obibazota?
Museveni the father, Genom was the son, Genocide the Holy Spirit. They are the Holy Trinity of Uganda.
When do you sit to think? Kati yubijja, where did you? Did you think through?
Beba fuge gwanga. Sivebo. Kati akalulu mwaga kwa akalulu when the father is versing the son. Ngate genocide kwa yakulira amaje kati nga yakakuma. That's what I was telling this young man Bob Wine, that leave elections alone. Look for another way. You can't defeat the state through elections.
You advised him?
I advised him from day one.
What has when you advise him to do the other way, which way?
Let them go to Congo. If you can't fight for power, you can't have it. The President Museveni yatulawo obuyinza ne bujja.
Bamulonda.
Yes, yagenda mu kalulu. Bamubba akalulu n'agenda mu nsiko. Kati gwe do you think it president obuyinza balwanira bulwanire.
Museveni can be defeated in an election. I want to assure you. Museveni can be defeated in an election.
President Museveni aliko lwa bululu oba lwa maje. Do you think the president is there? Me, I was in Nope. Nakumaka karoka Bob Wine Makindi. Ngomalo kwata declaration form ne bazikusaba nti leta. Bring here. This is a state. This is a military state. Issues concerning countries are issues of their history. Lwaki Rwanda efugibwa General Mukambwe, His Excellency Kagame. Don't read the history of Rwanda. They had a genocide. Lwaki afuga Israel inokuba ne security background? Because the problems that are facing Israel are security problems. Tebagala economists. He's only in Italy. We are the president but there is economy. So we must revive. Kenya.
How does a younger man like you, who we think he holds our future, think wrongly like that?
No, these are facts. Politics, we must be factual. Nzisira bangako bantu bakwata buyinza nga bali kamocha bawemula. Government kije bawemula negenda. Gole government bakubira ndulu. Mugenda. President Museveni bwaba amaze okuwangula akalwa kyambalo ekyambalo kye kyamaje. Esati ye nale munebera mundanga ekyambalo kyamaje kye kiri kungulu. Era naga mukulika akalulu ko bupapula. Kitugize wali yakalala. President Museveni ali kwa Jazeera ne bamubuuza nti ovakodi. Yaga it's the what that gives us the who. Era temwabitegeera.
The what?
The what gives us the who. The president was on Al Jazeera. No, when we read it is the what that will give us the who. What needs to be done will give us who will do it. Sibya kufuba tukamuloji. No antika tinjaba president. No. the army plays a bigger role in who should be president.
That's why you should believe in Mhozi's ascension.
Of course, I'm not saying that
Mhozi can be president.
He can be a president. I'm not saying that tasobola. Osigera nenjagala kumanya agenda kozesa formula ki kyenna kubuuza walinga ntandika kalulu.
Yes.
Ajaka wangula nga taata wa akkiriza. If the father accepts, there is nobody in this country can say yes when the president has said no. And if you think the son is like saying that me senior I can overthrow, me junior I can overthrow Tamale Mirundi senior.
You can.
Ndichendi kubanga ye ayagala. Here the recent conflict we had, I knew my place.
Tewali mbyo we wagula? Tewali mbyo we wagula?
Kubanga kiriza ne wagula.
No.
But he
complains every day that he's sad that you are loving all the women.
Yes,
even say
because ze namugamba ino okusalawo okuzaala abazzukulu ababonabona oba okuzaala abazzukulu abayina sente
ate abakazi abakadde bazaala.
Yes, abakazi abakadde tebazaala naye if we can get money from them million 8 I built my home from these so-called mature women you are saying.
Don't say mature. That's polite.
Okay, already women abakadde bali mu byalo.
Okay, kanchikudize mu Luganda. Enkanga
yes, abakadde bali mu byalo.
Enkanga.
Zo mukazi ayina sente no. Yes, kakati mwabagala abatoke
mu bane.
Mwabagala abatoke mu bone. Are you saying man coming to me mwagala kuza bana kusomera? Nungawa bazaladi. Wabazala topulanize. Tuyina ebintu byetwewala mwami muyanga lutaya. Good life is good life, no compromise. Oyagala mbumve cafe javaze wende mere nyende wali mutoni nyira. Mbu because of marriage.
Lwaki tokola sente zo noyagala kulyaza abakazi?
Eki?
Lwaki tokola zizo noyagala oleza abakazi?
Gwani agante abasajja fa balina okusinga abakazi sente. Kyawandikibwa mu Bible. There is men who must have good.
Toswala ng'omukazi akusasulira n'asasula ennyumba n'asasulira emmotoka n'akuteramu amafuta n'agula emmere kafeja gwe toswala obusajja buba busigadde.
Abasajja abali eyo abanaku mwe temuswala kubeera mu bunaku n'obunaku naye gwe do you know poverty. Nze nakulira mu ssente, nakulira ewaffe tupama mu benzi, nakulira twesigama mundu. Ekintu kyonna ekinzijja mu bulamu obwo sikwatagana nakyo. I must be in good life at all costs.
Mama mutia mu benzi ta.
Ati baga omwana apamye.
Mu benzi.
Ne bajja ne basiimuula. Kakati ffe twazannyako mu kwepena mbu kwisopado. Nze junior. For us endwadde z'abaana b'abagagga ezituluma yalaje.
Alaba?
Alaje. Ze endwadde z'abaana b'abagagga embeera y'obudde egenda kukyuka ndwale asima. Zendwadde kakati mwe mwakulira mu byalo. By my age 27 wali lugazo olima bikajjo. Kakati you can't know what I'm saying. Ku myaka gyange abamu mwali mu bibira. Smartphone wakagira fe ba planned kid. Nze taata wange bwanyiga nagati John yanyize yagulanga laptop. Era bagana nabbange bintu ewako kubimalawo. Nze naberanga ne nze ku ssomero I was driving a minivan at first year Makerere. Nze nga lumu yange nkyusa carpet every day bwojja ekateba ya red. Naberanga ne screen nga buli mwala gwenjagala I give him high screen. Ninga bantu balowooza kyamaanyi by that time because screens were very expensive. So fe bapulandi kindi tulina obulamu bwaffe. Ne bana abaana bammwe.
Do you know that kitaawo Tamale Mirundi obulamu buli bwogamba buli obubi mwe yakulira alyoka afune ggwe.
Kati nange bweyagala nkulire.
Do you also know that if your father had considered bakazi bakadde bagaga teyalifunye nnyoko?
It is his choice. Osige, my father bulamu bwa living nze and byakoze that scene. This is junior now. Nze sikopa byakola. Fena tuyina endaba yaffe y'ebintu. But we accept one thing, we should have good life. era nze kigamba nnyo baganda bange abawala mwe mufune buno obusajja obunaku mbusimanya buyina waaka you are going to suffer. Ensi kati tuzzeeyo mu socialism
bulina waaka
guluza lwaki kati abagagga bazimba ebikomera
obusajja obwogerako be bakoddomi
ate bakoddomi abaavu tosirina mukoddomi mwavu nze omukoddomi atasobola kuleeta ssente yulaza biyo omukoddomi ereswea we want rich people yentandikwa yeddogo mu famire omwavu terina kirungi kyaleeta. Nze n'omwana wano gwe nayagala recently najja naŋŋamba mbu mama we yagudde eddalu simanya kojjaawe yagudde ensimbu mbu ayagala sente bamwambulula omuzimu gwa jjajjawe. You tell me that a man like me 21st century mbu bakwambulula omuzimu conversations zitakyalimu
naye wandimuwadde sente olaba nga tebagwambulula
nze kati nyengerera eri eddogo
tewamuwa sente.
Yes, I told him me I don't associate with witchcraft.
That's not witchcraft.
That's
Africanism.
Gomanyi nti bw'oba tonnawasa mukyala sooka ku malaalo gye babaziika osanga bangi towasaawo. Do you know that there are families which have cases here?
Amalalo gaba
nga mangi kati bafa nnyo waliwo families zitawangaala. You see, this is a union. You must be careful. Nize abo abakyala abo abali mu America, those rich women siraba nko nsimbo gwe zikubye obulamu that life kwakati ze life yange gendemu I must eat well
sebo tulanga omuzungu abuyitwa nsimbo
era nina siraba ngako osikira omukazi bagala obakole style ombukabuzi kaliga kakoko kyokka namala mbugwasasula amaanyi gago. How can I waste all energy 2 hours I'm there on sex then I pay you using my energy. You see, it's a nasty. If you want me to do that style, pay me. Katwalo no muzo gwaze muchala nzoga junior sinna mala nze maza I'm going to the office. Why do you want me to be there? You see, abakazi abanaku they don't know that this kuno sekufa nti wrestling www.cno.com
sebo aganti akyabula mugo otambula butambuzi
era bagenze mbusina maanyi ga kisajja. I'm on time nina abanenze ku office. People want to be checked their land titles. I can't be in a lodge for 3 hours. Ni aba bakazi aba batalina sente mbusimanya kakati babereyo mu basenga these illiterates mbu musajja alina omala yesaawa 2 obwana buli eyo buvubuka they are malnourished because you can't play sex without having a diet. You are losing proteins. Waliwo diet gy'olina okulya fruits. Kakati omaze esaawa 2 otuyanye oli ku Rolex. That's why the livers ebibumba kati abaana balina liver damage. Omubiri guluzinga calories ate teguyina. You are not empowering the body. Kakati me the life I'm living in this country is whether I have rich women. The good thing they are rich and old.
Do you think all the rich women are the only source of income? That you cannot get money elsewhere except those women?
Where are the others getting money from? N'abasajja b'ogamba abamu bakazi ewaabwe. Nze manyiwa n'abasajja b'amaanyi nnyo naye nga bw'atuuka ewe tasalawo. Mukazi we yafuuka maama. Do you know that many are killed? Mwite abasajja bwe bakuba mu bufumbo ennaku. Big people.
Okuba? Keyindi.
Omukazi ng'akuba omusajja.
Ng'amulanga olwaki? Ng'olwokuba ondiisa oba onsuza. Ali kati ebife bitu bikwewaza.
Towuliranga. These relationships zirina mu gwe zoyagala okubuulira ba viewers. Do you have problems there? Today marriages have problems. Every marriage. Balina ki?
So kyekikuganya okuwasa.
Obufumbo bwenge bwe contract. I can marry you for 6 months.
Bundi.
Ati kwewala ebyo gwetu atwala byapa byange. I got this idiot on the streets here in the bars in Kampala. Nyina okulaba akukuta n'ebyapa byange. Today, be very careful with women. That's why ffe byaffe bya contract bwe kukyawa toli kyotwala. You take nothing. N'omukyala akusanga olina by'otaddewo. Kati divorce, go and read the law of divorce and you take 50. Me, you take 50 on my wealth?
I said, do you have your wealth? This is the wealth you are getting from all the women. It is you stealing from them.
You get money, you start business. What is the definition of obukadde? All the women bali mu byalo bali mu Kampala bato. Because you are making it to look as if it is old. Everybody is old. But ugamba kati omukyala kati olaba abakyala babalina esente nga bazzali. The other day naye nno omukyala mu America eyo gwe nafumbirwa recently. I told that woman nze nkwagalamu obukadde 5. Obwa Uganda mbeeko byenkola ki? The woman agreed. Naye anjaze kuwanga mu installments. Kati nze nesigala kukola gym.
Yatandika okuwa.
Do you think obugagga bwentuddeko these days mbujje mu office? Wano waliwo omulimu gw'ogenda okukola ogagga wali. Nti okedde mu office. Nti nange junior nzire mu jam every morning mbunzija kukola. To get what? There's nothing good in offices. The people here who have money are literate bayimbi tebasoma bazije mu kuyimba. That's why they are beating up people. The second version of people deals. People are getting money from deals. The third one kuwasa marriage. Kakati bulira yagaggawadde mu office. I find men nga batunulidde matoka. Today Junior said was janema mu dem BHC.
Tamale Junior is the son of my very good friend.
Yes.
Tamale Mirundi Senior.
Who is looking for?
Wawuliriza gw'omanya oba Mirundi alina omwana oba ddala yakolera ddala loosi.
Abaana mwagala baavu.
Weird.
Abaana mwagala baavu.
That's the weird thing.
You want poor kids.
How about your brothers who listen to you saying this?
My what?
Your siblings.
My siblings.
The sisters and the brothers.
My brothers, they have their lives.
Auntie, you are their role model.
I'm their
they look up to you. You are their role model. Barabira kugwe.
Barabira kuki?
Kugwe.
Bafune byokulabirako ebirala. I'm tired of that word. You inspire me. You to inspire over what?
And now you inspire nobody.
Yes, I inspire. That's what I want. Because my life is not an essay that should be marked by a professor. The choices I take are completely mine. Everybody should live their lives the way they want. This is the 21st century. Omanya Africa bwe mutaveemu ebyo ebintu. Mwina culture gye mbadde mutambula no mental slavery. And abazungu bo basigala mu lyabwe mwe ne babaleetera mukopa bukopi.
Mental slavery.
Mental slavery.
That's what you call it.
You are not accepting reality. This is a global village. President wa Bufaransa mukazi wa musinga emyaka 4. The first lady of France asinga president emyaka. In fact, yasembayo obuto mu family ye.
And you think that's a good thing?
No, we can no longer marry what we want. Fe twagala bakazi batuwongerako. Tetuwasa be twagala. Era ndaba, never marry a person you love. Wasa kwongerako. Omuntu ona nyongerako ki? Tuvula mubadde mu cycle y'obwavu. President yagamba li peasants are producing fellow peasants. Nosanga family tebagulangako wadde gaali. Look at what is wrong with you. Because you are not doing things the other way around. So as a family, we must accept what has given us, what it to give. The tool is money.
This is Inside Out.